Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to take a look at another important thing, and that is transformation and reflection. Yes friend. Reflect stuff only, not that reflection and masking both. So I think by now you have already got the idea that how we are transforming objects, right? Say for example this is a rectangle, right? Let's fill it with this color, and how we are transforming using the bounding box, right? So yeah, we are transforming objects using this one only, and also we can rotate it. Oops. So you can increase or decrease the size, and while increasing or decreasing the size proportionally, make sure to hold the shift key. That's it. And you can also rotate an object just like this, and for that you need to select the selection tool to work with these things better. And also here we are having an option of transform. See, using this you can rotate. This is for shear, I guess. Yeah, let's make it 0, minus 60, 60. Okay guys, so this is about rotation, reflection. Let me delete it. Let's create another. Let's create a shape, this time using the pen tool. Yup. Now say for example you want to create a reflection effect here, this side. How you can do that? One thing which you can do is select this object, right click, transform, reflect. Make sure to check the preview option, and I think you remember that this horizontal reflection is for top down and vertical is for right and left. Let's click this one, right and left, and hit the preview option, and let's click on copy, and you can just move it to a place where you want to place it. But there is another way of reflecting in these kind of situations, and that is using the reflect tool. This is the one, reflect tool, and how we can work with it. So for example, let's select this object, right? And now you want to reflect this object based on this key point. So what you can do, you can just hold the alt key and you can just click on this anchor point and see. Now check the preview option. You can make it horizontal or vertical. For us it's vertical because it's kind of right left. Now let's click on copy and see. We have created a reflection effect, right? Okay, so that's it guys. This is how, well, let me delete it. So this is how you can transform objects, and also you can use the reflect tool, and you can, Illustrator provides you different options for transformation, for reflection. As you will see in our effect lecture, in our effect section, here we have another cool transform option that we will see, but later on, not now. In our transform section only it's there. I recommend that you take a look at that section also. So that's it guys. I hope that you are really enjoying the course, and also in future the lectures which are there, you will also like those lectures and projects. Yes, there are many interesting projects here in this in this course. And let me know if you have any issue understanding some concept based on any project or any lecture. Just feel free to let me know. And also I'm really excited to hear from you that how you are liking the course, how you are enjoying this course, and whether you are learning anything, and whether I have to work more on this course or not. All these feedbacks I really expect from you guys. So that's it. Here I am concluding this lecture. See you in the next section or in the next lecture. Yes, friend. In future, if I think that I'll be adding any more lecture to this section, I will surely add. So that depends actually whether we are uh, seeing each other in our next lecture or in next section. Okay, so that's it. Here I'm concluding this lecture. Have fun. Take care.